Good morning, good morning. We are off to an early start today. But you know, the things we do for love, man, it's so early. The sun is just rising. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, the sun is just rising. Early bird special. Get into this early bird specials. Excuse the light. I got a little haul for the 3D printing business that I got. I had to pick up some items so that we can do a nice expose. Today will be a good day. We're on it. Okay. So, honestly, I got a lot of work to do. I just bought me a grow tent because I just figured that I could use it as an enclosure, and I see a lot of people are using grow tents as an enclosure. Little fact about me, I'm also a cultivator, so I can grow things, plants and herbs that one may desire in his house. And I've wanted to buy a grow tent for here for a while now, but it hasn't been a viable, it hasn't been in the budget. So because it hasn't been in the budget, it's just a luxury. But now, because it's part of this ecosystem that I'm trying to build within my space and in my realm, it's now become a viable product and purchase. So that, along with the thing to take some photos with the new prints, that's all necessary. And then we got some PETG. Yeah, we needed some PETG. So Creality hooked me up. How much was I'm gonna do a little bit of an unboxing. If I can see oh my goodness. Yeah, it's a gray. There we go. I got some gray PETG ready to go. Let's add this to the collection. We got a lot. So now I got a lot of work over on this side to get kind of my package. So a lot of computer stuff and cords and stuff, and so now I just gotta clear up this. If y'all can just bear with me, clean up this area, get my tools in order, and some of my things, and hopefully we can turn this into a good packing area. All right, and then we gotta finish that dresser, that nightstand. So let's get to it, huh? job done. Job's not done. I celebrate when job's done. But I can't lie. It's getting close. Next thing to do is build the shelf, get this dryer up, and start getting stuff going. See if I build this new shelf. So I build the shelf first, get the dryer up, get some filament on, and we can start getting the show on the road. Yeah. Okay, so we are ready to go ahead and start. I switched the printers around because I thought it would make a little bit of better ecosystem with the dryer, the reality dryer. So I just wanted to turn it around because I know sometimes I'll be recording off of my desk and whatnot. But let's get this out of the box for the first time. We can prepare our station. I was watching a little something with the, I don't know if y'all seen, but they got this, the victims of Epstein are finally speaking up and coming together, banding together so that they can drop some names on a motherfucker. Putting a target on their head. It's the most courageous thing I've seen all year, outside of the Boeing whistleblowers, you know. We know what happened to them. So I pray for them. I pray for these ladies, gentlemen. I pray for their health and wellness. Let's see what they're talking about, bro. This is so fucking crazy that all of these women that are standing behind, like two guys, all these women that are standing behind this lawyer have now, they got their faces out, they got targets on their back. They're the most wanted people in the world, because Prince Harry, Macron, like you get on it, you name it, these people are, you know, worldwide. They're not just like here in America. It's just Epstein was. Oh no. Epstein was. And so now I gotta say, this is just one of the most courageous sights I've ever seen. I mean, these people, I can't believe it. Maybe we'll get them. I like to volunteer to work security. I like to volunteer to be their personal martial arts on staff security head. Put me with me where I need to go, because I will kick some ass. It is time for us to unlock the beast. First box we open up is some filament, yeah? Let's see. This is from Creedle. Never had it, never used them. I hope they're a good company. If you heard of them, let me know what you think. How does it print for you? We will see how it prints for me. I wasn't playing. Here we have orange. Yeah, this is PLA. I just wanted to be sure this wasn't the PLA Plus, but yeah. Its print temp is 200 to 220. Hotbed temp is 50 to 60, of course, kind of average. And of course, my anycubic can go up to 320. I guess we're gonna open this up, throw this in the dryer, and I guess we're gonna get to our first print. So, it's time. They call it griddle. Sorry, silk silver. It's griddle, not cridle. I was thinking cridle. Like, what the hell is a cridle? Griddle? It's griddle. Either way, it's still spelled wrong, but I don't know. But griddle, silk, this is silk silver, and this is matte crimson orange. And I like that. I like that a lot. Let's put these both in. 4 hours, I got it drying. It's pretty dry already, that's why I got it on for a short time. It's 4 hours. We're gonna see after the 4 hours. We'll do our first benchy and get started with some of our prints. Very excited. It's a little two-toned because I ran out of filament, but we got ourselves a camera stand for the elegant. Very nice. Almost there. Alright, so I finally got this process to work. We inside watching a little bit of Alien right now. I ain't gonna spoil it, but while Alien's playing, it's time to make them shells. So I finally got on here and got the process moving, but the problem is it's still not quite fluid yet because I'm using 2 different slicers. I got the Elegoo slicer and the Orca slicer going. But I haven't been able to use one for both the Anycube and the Elegoo yet, and then the transfer and send it. I was kind of playing with the Ethernet cord, trying to be able to send it. I got it to send from my tablet to, I download the app on my tablet and send it to my Anycube, so that's pretty cool. So I can make files on here, send it to my tablet, but I just want a one-step process. I love it when the plan comes together.